Here's an interesting app called Reflectly Journal and AI Diary. So let's just tap get to install it and then just double click to install it. The world's first intelligent journal. This app was multiple times featured in the App Store as editor choice as app of the day. It's not yet, in the top charts in the App Store yet in some categories, but seems it's getting there. It's like a journaling app for self-care and mindfulness. How you're feeling on a daily basis matters. Reflectly is a personal journal driven by AI to help you deal with negative thoughts and increase positivity. Be prepared for stress relief, reducing anxiety and depression in your life. Your self-care and mental health should always be a priority. Reflectly uses positive psychology, mindfulness, and cognitive behavioral therapy CBT to help you thrive. It gives you the tools and mindset to build a positive cycle with our habit tracker. Fancy a bit of self-dating, Reflectly supports your self-love journey. So then you can just open it up, and then here's how it looks like, and then hi Reflectly, and then you can just set up a nickname, and then you can just continue. You can just select the theme you like. You can enable notifications, and then instantly you just need to upgrade. And then here you can just write mood check-in, voice note, or add a photo. So mood check-in, basically, then you just select your current mood, and then you select what feels you good, how you're feeling about this. Just for example, for you to understand, and then you can just complete check-in. So that's your first check-in. That's basically the idea. You will see some quotes, and then you can just set some daily reminders if you wanna, and then you just basically create an account to complete your journal. So then, for example, you can just as an example, just proceed with email. And then you also add a password, and then then you should be able to get started.